Today we will be talking about DNA replication. DNA replication is a process that happens in all living organisms to copy their DNA. This is a diagram of DNA that we will be using to help us show how DNA replication works. This is what real DNA looks like. This is a diagram made by Watson and Crick in 1953. The blue plot in our diagram is the backbone. It contains a phosphate group and a deoxyribose or sugar. The pink represents adenosine. The brown represents thymine. The peach represents cytosine. The red represents guanine. The 2 or 3 marks on tape represent hydrogen bonds. The scissors represent an enzyme called helicase that helps separate the 2 parts. The black represents an enzyme called DNA polymerase III. These will help the bases that are floating around attach to separated DNA. Now to start the process of DNA replication, through the enzyme helicase, the DNA is divided into 2. Note that there are free nucleotides floating around all over the place, like this. Now, base pairing must happen. DNA polymerase III goes in opposite directions and pairs the correct bases, like this. They go around and put the correct bases. For example, in the rule of base pairing, adenosine must be with thymine and cytosine must be with guanine. So, for example, here. This is how they will base pair. And then all throughout the whole DNA. And that is how a new DNA is formed. Now there are 2 strands of double helix DNA. They are identical to each other. Note that each DNA has 1 old strand and 1 new strand.